Hello everyone, my name is Sandesh Dahal. I'm from batch 33 Ethical Hacking. Today I am going to perform task which is given by our module leader. Let's start with instruction. First of all, we need to log in as a root user. So and we need to create a user. So user 8 -m sa and Sandesh 12 and password of username. Password update successfully, and we need to change add a group, add a user to group. So -a g, which is a means append and g means group, and append the group sudo and username. So this one two sorry it was user mode, and it is successfully add to the group. And we need to change the user cell, which is base to z cell. So chss means change cell. Cell means bin zsh Sandesh 12, and it was successfully changed the cell. And we need to according to the instruction, we need to change the switch the user. We need to switch user. So su and it's successfully switching the user. And about detail of user, we can use id, and id gives all the information about the user, and also check the who is currently working on the working user. Here is Sandesh 12, and we need to provide a command to go to your home directory. First of all, we need to go home directory for using home and 12, and we are currently working on home directory and working, and currently working user is Sandesh 12, and provide a command to show current user, and it was done. And go to desktop directory. And first of all, we need to explain about this, because currently created new user have no desktop directory. So we need to go our system user home directory. So we need to create a touch file. We need to create a file using touch command. So touch file 1, file 10, file 11, file 2, file 2, and file 3, file 33, file AB, file A, file capital A, file A and file 2. Oh, sorry, it was it's going to be wrong, so we need to already sudo ls command. So we need to now create a vim file, sudo vim, and inserting for writing something we need to go insert mode and press enter and write this is from vim, and we need to exit from here, so we need to press escape and wq vim file. So where exit and vim file is created. Now our task is list the all file starting with letter and end with number. So alias -d az and both uppercase and lowercase alphabet are for starting number, and last 0 to 9 is for last number. So we need to, there is a 7 file starting with letter and end with letter, end with number. So we need to list up the file expect vim file, but we need to using a vim file. So for this we need to -i and vim file. There is a all file are listed, but there is no vim file. So we need to remove or delete the file name by vim file, promote for detection without the question number 6 vi. So we need to remove according to question. We need to delete vim file we using single command. So rm vim file and operator, because we need to execute the more command success, and if success command echo success is failed, then error is work, and it was success and ls. There is no vim file, and we need to list the fifth character, list all file with a digit as a fifth character. So we need to alias and fifth and 0/9. There is a 3 file with fifth character. Fifth digit as fifth character, and now we need to print or store the 5 lines from etc/etc shadow, and last 5 lines from /etc shadow in a single file. So for this task we need to go our home directory. So sudo sh -c head for first 5 lines, and etc from etc shadow path sh a dupe shadow end use for other command. We need to execute other command. So tail means last 5 lines. Tail means hyphen 5 means last 5 lines, and file path etc shadow, and append to password.txt. So cat pass password.txt. Here is we can see there is a 5 lines of first. There is a five first lines and 5 last lines. Now I'm going to create a group. So sudo group group add ets 33, and let's check. There is no message, so there is a group add, and now create a user. Sudo add user lr11. Oh sorry, it bad name. lr11 and sudo add user lr12. Now there is a question, and choose a password. Password is already given, and create a file on the root. Add both. Okay, let's sudo user mode hyphen ag sorry ag ets 33 lr11, and sudo user mode hyphen ag. Now I'm going to create a file on root. So sudo su first of all sudo su for login as a root user, and go to the home directory of root, home, and ls, and make a file or something on file, cat my file.txt. Hello soft Control T, cat clear. And according to the question, there is so long list ls hyphen l my file.txt. There is a read write permission for user, read permission for group, and read permission for other, and there is a this file belongs to root. There is modification time and file created time, or file create time. There is a change the permission to the file such that group member can read only. Okay, let's change the group. Okay, first of all change the ownership of file ch1. ch1 used to change the ownership of file, and one user. There is a lr11 to eth33 my file.txt. Oh sorry, there is lr11 and ls -l my file.txt. Here is we can see. Now we need to change the permission of file, which is as a question. We need to change the group permission of group. We need to give a permission to group read and read only read group read only permission, and other can read as well as write the file. Okay, let's see as mode 6. There is no changes of user because there is no instruction about changing the user. So for 6 for user and 4 for groups, which is can read 4 set the read permission of group, and another 6 for 6 also. यो त भएन क्या, यो त भएन. Now we need to change the file permission. Now we need to change the permission of file. So change mode 6 for user, read only. We need to give a permission read only for group, so 4, and also user can read and write, so we need to also 6 because 4 read for 4, 2 for write, and execute for 1. So my file.txt ls-l, there is a permission is set. There is a difference. First and we need to show that the permission have been set properly or switch between user and expect the root user. So we need to change the show lr11 ls clear and cd root permission denied cat root my file.txt permission denied cat nano root my file.txt control x y permission denied, we can't change, so control x no. And also we check for user 2, which is lr12 sorry lr12 and cd root my file.txt text also because